Alright, I want to show this. What I'm going to be showing you today is this new brand of a Gentex smoke detector. It's actually just a carbon monoxide detector, though. And know that the old smoke detectors, you just turn this, but you don't turn this in this one, this kind of detector. This carbon monoxide detector, you just press the button right here, and between this and the light, just between the light. It's pretty neat. Here, I'm gonna press the test button. So you press the test button. Pretty dead now. Hold on, guys. I'll fix it. Okay. Alright. Sorry. Press this right move test button. Hold on, guys. Okay. Back to alright. Guys, back to the test. There, press the test button.